The 2015 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, center armrest, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.